Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Wonders. First, each player receives a unique Wonder Board, which provides a starting resource and 3 gold coins. Next, prepare the 3 age decks by removing cards not matching your player count. Then, deal 7 cards from the age 1 deck to each player. Finally, place all military tokens and remaining coins in a central reserve. 7 Wonders is played across 3 distinct ages, each consisting of 6 turns. In each turn, players simultaneously select 1 card from their hand to play, then pass the remaining cards to an adjacent player. You can use your chosen card to build a structure, advance a stage of your wonder, or discard it for 3 coins. After 6 turns, military conflicts are resolved with your 2 neighbors. There are 7 distinct card types, each with a colored border. Brown and gray cards produce essential resources. Blue cards award victory points directly. Green cards provide scientific symbols, which score points based on identical sets and unique combinations. Red cards boost your military, affecting end-of-age conflicts. Yellow cards offer commerce and coins, and purple guilds grant diverse end-game scoring opportunities. At the end of the Third Age, all players calculate their final scores across 7 categories. You'll add points from military victories and subtract for defeats. Every 3 coins you possess converts into 1 victory point. Points are also awarded for completed wonder stages, blue civilian structures, scientific sets, commercial cards, and purple guilds. The player who has accumulated the most victory points is declared the winner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.